truth. I've made a bunch of holes. And now this is the windlass. So now I'm passing through the wires. And then it all has to fit. Let's see. Okay, black wire. Alright, looks like it's there. Looks like the cord. So I put the insulation and this fit nice, and now I'm gonna crimp it. Numbers aren't important here. It doesn't matter if it's 6 or 8. So you just hit it with a hammer. You put it there and then you hit it. Let's do it. Okay, so the red one that goes to the battery goes all the way there. The black one. These wires through these small holes. I tied like a little thing here so I can pass it. It's so tight. I have to wiggle it. Yay! I got it. I passed it. Yay! So, if you pass like a some kind of thread, or I don't know, it can be easier to pass things through. Passing wires through tiny places. That's how the wires go. That's gonna be behind. It goes in the closet and underneath. So now I have to install this close to the battery here. So I just found some place here. It should be far away, so I'll just install it here. Finish this. So this is from the battery to the circuit breaker. Extra fiberglass because inside here there was like a hole. So right now I am going to paint this so the water doesn't get in. So now I'm drilling holes for this up and down. So we'll see how that goes. I don't have any template. And now I have to do these 3 and that's it. Okay, check it out. I installed up and down switch, so it's gonna be nice. This is where the windlass goes. For people who need to split these wires and these cables, like this works really well. It's, I don't know how it's called, but when you're sewing and putting things apart. In progress. I did the up black with another black. Now I have to join 2 reds. Okay, I joined some reds, some blacks, and I still have to do another black and 1 more black, and they're all going to the main switch. Now I'm passing on one side and I'm passing this here, and there is like 50 feet of this electric cord Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to do it again. So passing all this through all these tight places, that's the worst part. So right now I've marked where I have to drill for the rocker switch. Okay, I just did one hole, so I have to do now the second one. Okay, I've drilled both holes. It's so windy outside, and let's see if it fits. Okay, so I have made a bigger hole because it was the only way it could really fit nicely, so it's okay. This is done. Oops. Hey, it works. I have to put the chain in. I have to unhook it there, but you see, up, down. There you go. So this is where the main switch is. There's a fuse down. Anyway, so I wanted to put some extra electrical tape around here just to make it better, and then I have to clean this up and this says for metal, fiberglass, and then I will try to just bond to seal it up so to avoid moisture. Alright, I think I'm good. Okay, finishing everything at night, but anyway, there's this part that okay. So I have to put this last thing on like the first bolt, and the only way for me to do that was to get in where the anchor is. I got myself so dirty, and turn this way, and it's the only way it works. Oh my God. I painted what I could. There's not enough space to do more, but I will eventually. Okay, so I've marked white the chain every 10 feet, and depending on how many feet it is, I have colored the number of the chain links. Wow, it is simply unbelievable how all of this worked out. First, the bolt that goes up front fits exactly perfectly. There's just a little space underneath here, and that one bolt like could fit there. It's unbelievable. So the part where the engine is, that's inside. Well, the part where the chain goes out, that's outside, and that was like the perfect fit. So that's one thing. Another thing that is just insane that I just discovered is that if I keep this like that, like it usually goes, this door cannot close well. So like that is also a perfect fit. So I have to do this for it to perfectly close. I am just blown away how everything turned out to be perfect fit. I could see God's hand in all of this. Praise the Lord, it's finished.